Okay, so this is a video on how to use Winmerge to test your output with the output given by your professor. So what I have here is just a basic program. While there are values, it adds them together and sums them. And so here would be an example of like if the professor gave you a sample test case. You'd want to put that in the programs folder, go to bin, debug, and once you compile, it'll update the test executable, and you'll download the test solution off of your professor's website that he gives you and put that here as well. And so to test whether they both have the same output, you'll want to open up command prompt, and this is how you'll reach the file that, or the folder that the file is in. I have it saved under desktop, so you're going to do cd desktop test bin debug, which is just following this path, and so it'll bring you into this folder, and you're going to want to do test.exe with a lower than sign, and you're going to want to do the input file's name, and then greater than sign, and then where you want to store it is, you'll just make up a file name. So I'll just call it output. Oh, I called it input.1.text. Okay, and you'll see it'll create the output file. And then you want to do it with the test solution as well. So test solution.exe. And let's just call this one output 2, I guess. And it'll create an output 2 as well. And just so you can see what's in the input file, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So summing those up would be 10. And you're going to want to download Winmerge off the internet. And go to open. And browse to go to the folder that these are both in. So desktop, test, bin, debug. And you want to do the first output there. And then go to the second output for the other one and click OK. And it'll show you the two outputs of the two files. In this case, the my test solution and the test executable are actually the same file. And when it reads them both in, it'll print 10, and it'll give you a message saying the selected files are identical. And we can compare this also. I'll just show 3, 4, 5. So that'll be 12. Let's save that. Input 2. So if you have multiple test cases, you can do them all at once. So I'll just show you an example. Let's call this one input 3. So you go back to test.exe, input 2, and put it in output. And so it'll refresh these two. And if we want to save time and do lots of tests at once, then we can just call this one output 3. Okay, so this made these two are the output for the test case input 2, and these two are the output for test case input 3. So it'll reload the same ones we had output and output 2. And again, the files are identical, and the other one should be 0. So output 3, output 4, the files are identical. So I hope that shows you how to test your output. And good luck in data structures, everybody.